everybody. So the first thing we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to change our own IP address. So if you got Windows 10 or actually Windows anything, if you can see my screen, you click on the start button, and if you're running Windows 8 or Windows 10, you can just type in CMD like Charlie Michael David and hit enter, and you get your black box. Now, if you're running Windows 7, if you click Start, you'll have a little search menu that your first thing right about here should be a search bar. Type in CMD, Charlie Michael David. You get your black box, alright? First thing we're going to do is we're going to check our IP address. So IP config. Alright? So the first thing we always want to do is see what our IP address is right now. So in this instance, I've got an IP address right here on my wireless LAN adapter of 192.168.0.209. But I want to change my IP address for the purpose of, I don't know, hacking or whatever I might want to do. You'll also notice I have a subnet mask of 255.255.0.0. Yours at home will likely be 255.255.255.0. But, of course, I have to be a little bit different. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on our start button. We're going to type in network and sharing. That command doesn't work anymore. Okay, so you'll see either a square right here, or like on mine, you'll see the wireless signal. Do a right click on that and click on Open Network and Internet Settings. And you'll get this window. Now if you don't see that, click on your start button, type in Control Panel, or just type in Control, and then click Control Panel. Alright, and from here, Network and Sharing Center, change adapter settings, and here you'll see your different wireless adapters. Alright, if I would have went this way, I would have clicked Open Network and Sharing, and I would have clicked Change Connection Properties to review these settings and go on to IP settings. Now, if we're going to do our own IP address, we'll click on Manual. Right, and this is where we'll define it. So I'm going to set mine to 192.168.0.209, just for instance. And like I said, mine is 255.255.0.0. Yours is probably 255.255.255.0. Mine is 192.168.0.1. Your gateway, that's your router's address. Your computer needs to get to the internet. It does that by looking to the gateway, the same IP address as your router. If you're not sure what your IP of your router is, go to your default gateway from your IP config. If you've lost that window already, click your start button, type in CMD like Charlie Michael David, hit enter, IP config, and then bang. There's our gateway. So mine is 192.168.0.1. Alright, so we're going to set it just like that. Preferred DNS, we'll just point to Google DNS. This is your best resource. So go to 8.8.8.8. Hit save. Alright, my VPN just disconnected. That's because my IP changed. Not a problem. And ladies and gentlemen, that is how you change your IP address. To verify, open up that black box again, Charlie Michael David, IP config, And you can see that my IP address has changed. All right, so that would be how you change your IP address.